So I was interested this week to see this story. Is the universe a hologram? Looking inside a black hole suggests it might be. And it is a hologram. I mean, this is a holographic world. And you don't have to look into the evidence too deeply just to see that everything points to that. And then when you look deeply, you see absolutely everything points to that. And so many mysteries of life and mysteries of reality start to make sense once you realize what reality really is. And not only is this holographic, I would suggest, but it's also a simulation. It's a form of virtual reality. And I first talked about this just after the turn of the millennium, when I talked about this being a simulation and the outer limit of this level of the simulation being the speed of light. And over the years that have followed, more and more people in mainstream areas of science have started to look and say, well, actually, it does look like we could be in a simulation. And this is what I go into in this book, which, like I say, I've nearly finished. And it explains so many things about what happens in the world, why they happen, how they happen, and to what end. So this story says, the laws of physics demand that we cannot see through a black hole's event horizon. It is fundamentally impenetrable. Even light cannot escape it. Well, that's the theory anyway. But in a new study, a physicist from the University of Michigan has proposed a technique to do just that, and his findings could help solve one of science's most challenging problems. And the idea that the universe is a hologram, the story says, has been misinterpreted, well, let's debate that, as the theoretical physics equivalent of Plato's cave, an ancient allegory about mankind's inability to truly perceive reality, perhaps partially due to the popularity of films such as The Matrix. Now, it's been misinterpreted, okay? Well, evidence, please.